That's not my chicken. Yeah, interesting. Can we see in here or is it too dark? Yeah, hold on. All right, there we go. Hi, girls. You're next to each other. See, Mary, you can get up there. Yeah. That's a good girls. Look at you, Verbena. Look up. See that beautiful neck of yours. You can hear the neighbors talking to their chicken. Okay. You know, I don't know if they have more than one, but I know they have ducks. Yeah. Yeah, we live in the city too. Isn't that crazy? Okay. Let's check on the other girls. Hi, Sweet Pea. Are you on an egg? It looks like one may have broke. Here. Can I have it? That's Sweet Peas. Thank you, darling. I appreciate you. Now that I put the egg away. What's going on here, huh? Yeah. Let's move this out. It's a little wet. What are you doing? Making a ruckus over here? You better leave her alone, Mary. Leave her alone. You can share. That's a big enough roost for 3 chickens. You behave yourself. Hi, Rose. I didn't mean for you to squat. I'm sorry. Are you on an egg? Are you on an egg? Hey. You don't want to move. Okay, you're good. Nothing there. You're good. Thank you, honey. Thank you. I'm so sorry I moved you. Okay. Good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. Good night. Mm-hmm. Good night. Yes, sweetheart. You're so beautiful. I know, I know. All right, see you in the morning. Until next time. Bye-bye.